Oh, I guess you can all hear me. Thanks for skipping coffee to take some time to listen to explain a bit about what we do in this workshop called MetaSurface Design from MetaAtoms to MetaSystems. My name is Lieven Penninck. I founded Planopsim now almost 4 years ago, specifically to develop workflows and software for MetaSurface Design. Since you're all here, I guess you are pretty much aware of all the amazing possibilities that MetaSurfaces can deliver, such as we see the 4 main categories from our talks with customers academically and industrially, that they are in miniaturizing optical systems, making them much smaller and much lighter, simplifying systems, doing the same with fewer components, which again makes the whole system better because there's less assembly and higher tolerance to all kinds of errors needed. You can functionalize systems by adding new functionalities, putting structures on top of existing structures, and you can invent entirely new applications. We've seen a couple of great ones already during this conference. Who's Planopsim in all of this? Well, Planopsim's raison d'etre is to provide design tools to engineers and scientists like you that allow you to design MetaSurfaces in an easy and user-friendly way as possible. So we are applying simulation and design methods from multiple scales to make this design possible. And on top of that, we also provide design services for companies that don't have the bandwidth or internal expertise to make MetaSurfaces designs. So in this workshop, we're going to first go through some of the basics and then look at several examples of MetaSurface designs from the nanoscale down with the MetaAtoms into MetaSurfaces, where we arrange the MetaAtoms, and then into systems using one or multiple MetaSurfaces, possibly combined also with different types of lenses in them.